Hello everyone. غادي نعدل واحد السيري ديال الباك تيست ديال يورو يو اس دي في اف اكس ريبلاي. غادي ننزل one trade per day ونشوفو if we can actually pass this challenge. حنايا دابا في my FX replay وكاينه الاوبشن اللي كتخليك انك تميروري a real challenge. So in this case سميتو FTMO 10k. Oh shit, should be right over here. Yeah. So FTMO 10k is gonna be a $10,000 $10,000 balance. Okay, good. $10,000 balance gonna be for Euro USD mainly. For the dates, I did them from the Monday 3rd of November. The end dates نعدلو the 24th of December. Okay, so profit target is gonna be 10%. Max daily loss is gonna be 5%. So max total loss is gonna be 10%. Okay, so let's go. This is good. This is good. This is pretty good. عشان نقص الصوت شوية. I hope ما تكونش الصوت ديال هاد اللعبة هادي overpower الصوت ديال الهضرة. اوكي نصغرو هادي. Okay, so most important thing اللي هي multi time frame analysis اللي هي كنانالايزو من الهاي time frames كنعاودو lower time frame. So mainly time frames اللي كندير عليهم بزاف هو 4 hours, 15 minutes و 1 minute و yeah, but in this case يلا غادي نبداو الاناليسيس من الاول. احسن we go even further than that نشوفو تا daily. So yeah, so daily it's actually been bullish for a while now. So price keep pushing up. آخر swing break of structure اللي كان عندنا هو هذا. So الرينج ديالنا هو هاد اللو هادي swing low وهاد swing high هادي. So usually plan ديالنا شنو هو this is the daily time frame. So right, so في أي time frame شنو كنexpectيو إنه دائما price شنو كيعمل sorry yeah, price كيبوشي كيكريتينا واحد الهاي, then we have a pullback to the discounted أو premium على حسب واش برايس طالع ولا برايس هود. اوكي you expect انه برايس يهود discounted zones باش اننا نقدروا ناخدو opportunities ديال باي من هنايا ونتارجيتيو هاد الويك هاي swing high. اوكي usually كتكون هادي weak swing high because كتفيلي انها تبريكي هاد اللو هادي. اوكي so if the high fails انها تبريكي اللو means بان الهاي failed to do its job, means بان هاد الهاي هادي بان weak. okay so إذا اللو بريكات الهاي this last high إذا اللو بريكاتها it means بأن it's a strong low, it took a lot of liquidity باش أنها تبريكي هاد الهاي هادي, means بأن this low should hold إذا كان price باقي غادي يبوشي higher. okay yeah, so let's نمسحو هادشي كامل. So this is about it. عارفين بأن حنايا وصلنا لواحد discounted area, so ديما خصنا نبقاو رادين بالنا بأن price من أي بلاصة هنايا يقدر يكمل البوش ديالو في الأب. okay so this is as far as the daily goes. ما تحتاجش انك دير الاناليز كتار من هكا daily because اذا كنتي day trade so intraday كتريدي في lower time frame, so intraday 15 minutes 1 minute for the entry. Yeah, daily is not that significant. okay so yeah, so it's نعاودو 4 hours. 4 hours هي the biggest time frame اللي important intraday. okay so 4H internal structure ديال 4H و swing structure of course إذا جينا نشوفو the full structure is actually bullish, but usually I would take this structure right over here. okay so let's say هادي last swing low ديالنا, let's say نحيدو last swing break of structure في الداون هي هادي, this is our swing high. Okay, so after a break of structure دايما كان expectable انه price عندي pull back. So in this case في swing structure ديال 4H حنايا bearish، ولكن we always have to keep in mind بأن علاش حنايا bearish في 4 hours. حيتاش حنايا bearish because we are facilitating. So price more ما break swing structure ديال daily, we expect the pullback. So the pullback deal daily, it's actually a trend in the 4 hours. It's a swing trend in the 4 hours. So باش نعرفوا بأن swing trend actually يتقطع is when swing structure ديال 4H كتبريكا. So إذا برايس من هنا يطلع وبريك لنا هاد swing هاي هادي، it means بأن صافي الأوبجيكتيف ديال هاد البولباك هذا is done, right؟ برايس وصل discounted version وصافي ديك الساعة we'll know for sure، ماشي for sure of course, but we'll have good confirmation بأن برايس صافي البولباك تاعنا and the price is gonna continue pushing higher. Okay. Yeah, so in this case حنايا still bearish في internal structure ديال daily و swing structure ديال 4H حنايا باقيين bearish. So in this case after break structure كان expectيو انه برايس يبوشي يبول باكي. So برايس يقدر يبول باكي هنا بريميوم زون هنايا ويكمل البوش ديالو في الداون. اوكي at least نقدروا تكون عندنا رياكشن ماشي زون من هنايا and then اذا كان هذيك يبوشي هاير. اوكي. Yeah, I think we can check the few zones هنايا اللي interesting. So هنايا برايس كان كيبوش shift down، كان last internal low ديالنا كانت هي هادي. Okay, so we had a break of internal low، برايس رجع للديماند زون اللي بريكات هاد internal low. So شنو وقع هنايا؟ تكريات a lot of liquidity هنايا. So a lot of people entered here because we had a break of internal structure. Price رجع للديماند زون اللي بريكات structure. So usually we expect price انه يكمل. But you have always keep in mind علاش higher time frame is important. Okay, و swing structure is important. حيتاش برايس واخا هنايا يبريك عندنا internal structure ولكن يبريكها غير باش يفاسيليتيتي pull back in premium zone باش انه يكمل push ديال put down. Okay, so this is just a reaction. So this is actually كنت تقدر تاخد تريد ولكن ما تكسبكتيش انها غادي تكمل. Okay. Yeah, so let's take the supply zone هنايا. So this is also a flip zone. Okay, price can keep pushing for up. هنايا we had a reaction from here. هنايا فين break, so it was demand was in control. مرها من breaker رجعت supply in control. So من price react مع demand zone رجع عند supply. Okay, رجع عند ديك supply ديك من push down. So this was a good opportunity زعما to look for sales from here. Okay, إذا كنت كتريدي في higher time frames 4 hours or 1 hours and even lower time frame تهود وتحاول انك تحاول انك تلقى an entry model على حسب entry model ديالك an entry فهمت. Yeah, so that's about it. دابا حدنا حنايا we are in a break structure و swing structure ديال 4H. Usually what you can do is you can actually trade the pullback. Okay, and the first signs بأن pullback غادي يبدا is gonna be a change of character. Okay, or a break of internal structure. In this case I wouldn't call this internal structure. Yeah, I would take this as internal structure or yeah, no, this is internal structure. هذه break of internal structure. من تبريك أن هاد internal structure نعرفو بأن صافي price change لنا character which character was bearish and then يتقلب bullish. Okay, so once we have a break of this internal structure then we'll start looking for buys and capitalize في هاد الأرياز هادو. Okay, so نشوف واش من ساعة. Usually I trade London session, so هادي تسد لينا already. So let's go to next London session. شوف الساعة هادي. Okay, 8 إلا ربع. Okay, good. So just to keep in mind أنايا ناخدو swing structure ديالنا ديال a swing structure. This is a break, so this is our last high. Okay, so هذه swing structure ديال 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, so this is actually interesting. أنا جد بعد قلتلكم بأن هذه internal structure because this one actually broke with the body. Okay, this broke with the wick. So إذا برايس طلع هنا هي ويكها ماشي ضروري أن يأذيها بالبادي. So just a wick here وتريجكتا صافي ديك الساعة is gonna be a change of character, and I would actually be looking from buys from here to actually target شي supply zone من هنايا باش كان expect وانا برايس أنه يكونتينيو في الداون. اوكي so دابا قلنا الصباح. So yeah دابا نتسناو actually like برايس أنه يويك zone هادي which is actually إذا برايس بريك هاد structure هادي which is actually ديك 4H it's actually a change of character, a fractal structure, but إذا بريكها في 15 minutes which is actually a break of swing structure ديال 15 minutes. okay so دابا نتسناو برايس أنه يبريك لنا swing structure يرجع لنا شي interesting demand zone. okay let's try to look for a demand zone. So price after a break دايما can expect a pullback. okay so هنايا we had our change of character, price رجع demand zone. Actually you can actually take a trade from here 15 minutes إذا كنتي كتريدي في 15 minutes. we don't care now تكون stop loss ديالك tight. You could have gone for 2R, you could go for 3R even, but دايما خصك تقرر بالك بأن price يقدر يطلع لنا supply zone here. okay يطلع لنا supply zone ويكمل في الداون ديالو which is the extreme, which most likely you're gonna have واخا إذا كان هادي break in هاد الزون هادي most likely you're gonna have a reaction from here to the demand zone عادي يطلع. okay so always be aware, always keep in mind that. okay keep that in mind. so yeah so دابا هادي هي swing structure ديالنا وهادي هي internal structure ديالنا. هادي internal structure. so usually we follow the structure. okay مبقاش نحمق راسنا مع عندك يبوشي عندك يبريكي عندك no we follow the structure ديال swing structure ديال 15 minutes اللي كندي عليها بزاف اللي هي اللي كتعطيني بايز ديال الدي ديالي. am I gonna take a trade في الاب, am I gonna take a trade في الداون, it all depends on the 15 minutes. okay so in this case swing structure ديال 15 minutes is actually bearish. price طالع لنا premium zone, maybe it's gonna hit this supply zone. ما كرهتش انه يهيتي لي هاد supply zone which is would be better باش انني to look for an opportunity from here. okay but price doesn't have to يقدر يطلع premium zone ويكمل push ديالو في الداون. okay so let's see هنايا 7:45 8 الا ربع. let's give it a few candles. oh okay so there's actually a week over here. oh I didn't even tap it yet. okay this is good, this is Gucci gang. but there's two things. برايس هو تابعنا في الزون ديالنا. اوكي تابعنا في سبلاي زون ديالنا في الاكستريم ديال 15 minutes. we know that price is actually bearish. always have to keep in mind بأن 4 hours is actually broke يلا break at swing structure, so after the swing break structure we expect a pullback, but 15 minutes is actually bearish, so swing structure is bearish, so can follow the structure and that's about it. yeah, let's do it. So in this case let's look for our entry model, right? The entry model, which is in this case we had a break of internal structure DL 1 minute. I might be looking for a trade from here. أو برايس يقدر يهودنا الديماند زون وعاد يطلع يبوش ريفر هاير بوت يقدر إيميل يقدر بزاف ديال الحاجات so have to worry about what I can what I cannot do. Ooh. Ooh. It's tempting. I'll just wait. Motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah, so it did have a reaction ولكن ما طلعش انت extreme. Which is okay, doesn't matter. Anyways, I could have taken a trade here ولكن عايز تكون عندي a tight stop loss. I usually go for a 2.5 stop loss. Okay. I could have entered here 2.5 stop loss. Easily كان يقدر يطلع ويتاكل liquidity هنايا. I could have risked it. Not really. I usually take one trade. Usually the best scenario is one trade per day, so yeah, I'm not gonna waste that trade. Best opportunity كان طلع لي in الزون هادي. My stop loss would have been in a better place. I would have been more comfortable. كنت قدرت تريسكي على اليورو because of all the confluence اللي عندنا. Okay, so let's say in the case we took this trade right over here. Of course you could have taken a trade for the area, something around here. If you don't care about stop loss, لما تكون هيدا yeah 2 to 1, 3 to 1, whatever. But usually can target in a 5R, so my trade would have been something like this. 2.5 pips. 2.5 stop loss, 5R. Yeah. It is what it is. Yeah. Yep. So that was pretty good. Break. Then we have another break of swing structure. Always keep in mind خسر في the higher time frame. Okay. Yeah. صراحة I didn't push for a long period of time. شحال الساعة دابا 12:30. 12:30 مقاولة تفتح نيويورك session عاوتاني most likely price is gonna keep pushing it down. 2:30. Yeah. So this day is gone. Unfortunately ما قدرناش ناخدو التريدة. And yeah, that's about it. See you in the next day.